Pete, is that you? Wow, long time no see you, my dear friend. Gregory? Yeah, I haven't seen you since that party. How are you? Well, as you can see, I'm doing great. My life is perfect. I am very happy. Good for you. But tell me, where do you work? What do you do? I am working. No, I am not working. I am part of an amazing international company. That sounds good. And what is the name of this company? Is it famous? Of course it is. There are millions of people working in this company around the world. I am not a worker. I am a partner of that company. I manage my own schedules. I earn a lot of money. I don't need to wake up early every day to go to a stupid job. If you want, you can also be part of this amazing company. Do you want to be rich? Everyone wants to be rich. I am sure of that, but I don't know. There are many of these companies that promise a lot of things, but they usually lie to us. Yeah, maybe, but not this company. Don't tell me you still work as a gardener. Yes, I do. But now I work for bigger houses. They have more money, so the payment is better. Still, I don't think that's a good job, my friend. Tell me about your routine, please. Well, I wake up early every day. I usually wake up at 5 in the morning. Then I take a shower and brush my teeth, get dressed, and get ready to go to my job. I have to arrive on time because my boss is very demanding. I don't usually arrive late. And you probably don't have breakfast because you don't have time, right? No, no, I do have breakfast every day, but I eat it at 10 in the morning. By that time, I am very hungry, so I eat a sandwich and a cup of coffee with milk. Sandwich? Coffee with milk? That's a poor man's breakfast. Really? Why do you say that? Tell me, what do you have for breakfast then? Well, I have fresh fruit with a special yogurt for breakfast. It is expensive yogurt. Then I drink some black coffee, but it is not a regular coffee. It is from Switzerland. And I don't buy coffee in the street because that is something stupid. I make it at home. All right. Well, that sounds interesting. And what time do you wake up? Look, I don't have to wake up early every day. As I told you before, I manage my schedule, but I wake up early anyway. Because if you want to be successful in life, you have to do it. So I wake up, get up, take a shower, get dressed, have my breakfast, and then start working. I don't have to take the bus or train to go to work. Because I work from home in my computer. I save a lot of time, and that's why I can work more time. It's the perfect job. Well, I can't call it a job because I have fun, make a lot of money, and learn many things. Seriously, and what do you exactly do in that job? I want to know. Well, I can't explain it to you like that. It is a little complex and maybe you wouldn't understand. Mm, why don't you try? I want to know. Tell me. It is about technology, shares on the stock market, and trading. But if you really want to know, I can explain it to you with a very informative presentation. A presentation? Why do you need to show a presentation? I don't get it. I told you, it is a difficult topic to understand, but once you get it, you can make a lot of money. Like me, I work whenever I want. I have enough time to do what I want to do. I go to the barber shop once a week. I buy new clothes once a month. I have lunch at the best restaurants in the city. I hang out with important and rich people. I read books, listen to my favorite music, go to the cinema whenever I want. My life is perfect. That sounds good. I work 10 hours a day to get more money. And I have to cook at home to save money. But I am saving money to start my own business someday. And how much money do you save a month? $10? Well, no. It can be $50 or sometimes $100. That's nothing. You will never have enough money to start your business. How often do you buy expensive clothes? How often do you have your hair cut? No, no, I don't buy expensive clothes. And I don't cut my hair because I like my long hair. You need to dress properly if you want to be a successful person, man. For sure. My shoes are also expensive. Why don't you go to one of our meetings? I am sure you will change your mind if you go. You will improve your life for sure, my friend. Sounds too good to be real. But tell me more about this job. It is not a job, it is a unique opportunity. You won't regret it, my friend. I swear. And how can I start? Do I need to pay something or do I need to sell something? No, you don't have to pay anything, but you need to invest at least $500. Invest? I don't understand. How much will I earn if I invest 500? You can make a million in some years, but you have to bring four more people to earn more money. I don't know. I will have to investigate about it first. Sure, but with this presentation, you will resolve all the doubts you have, I am sure. What do you say, guys? Should I go to this presentation? Should I invest my money in that company? I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. And if you want to support this channel, you can join us or click on the Super Thanks button. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.